Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or create a new user in your Chromebook device. So this could definitely have quite a few reasons for you wanted to do this, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So what you want to start with is selecting the clock in the far right side of the system shelf, and go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select sign out. And now you want to select versus add person. Now you just go ahead and sign in with another Google based account, or you could create another account. You'd have to verify with likely with a phone number. And then once you're done with that, you would just go ahead and create the account. Really nothing much more to it. Again, if you already had another account, you could just sign in with that. And that would pretty much be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.